Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Huma Siddiqui, your English language teacher. And today we have lecture number 5 of grade 5. But before I start my topic, I want all of you to like and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to share the videos. And must press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for the new videos. So let's begin. Here we have lecture number 5, which is genders. What are genders and how many genders are there? Genders are 4. As you can see, masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Dear students, there are 4 genders which we use in our conversation and we see all around us. So let's discuss every gender in each slide. So let's begin with masculine. Hope so students, you all are well aware of this gender. This is masculine. Nouns which refer to the male is called masculine gender. Like they are male, like boy, hero, tiger, king, father, son, emperor, and there are many genders which are male. So the masculine gender talks about male. Here we have some examples: bridegroom, father and son, fox, tiger. They all are masculine genders, and except to them we have many examples around us. Let's move on to the next, feminine gender. This is also very easy to understand. Nouns which refer to the female is called feminine genders. Masculine and feminine are those genders from which you all are well aware and you know about them very well, and you all have done it since your primary classes. So, nouns which refer to the female is called feminine gender. For example, girl, heroine, tigress, queen, mother, daughter, and etc. There are many examples. So we have some examples over here: bride, mother and daughter, vision, tigress. I showed these feminines for masculines. I hope you understood masculine and feminine genders. Let's move on to the third, which is common. Common genders. Common genders refer to a noun which may be either male or female. They may be used as both. Dear students, you might have cousins, you might have teachers, you might have visited to the doctor, and you may be a patient. So there are some common genders which we can use for the male or for the female as well. Like teacher, your teacher may be a male or female. Cousin, your cousin may be a male or female. Doctor may be a male or female. So in the same, the common genders are those which are male or female. They may be either male or female. Let's have some examples for this. Now see here, teacher as a male and teacher as a female. The noun teacher can be used for both. Teacher may be a male or female. In the same way, a student, you are also a student, and your sister is also a student. So a student may be a common gender. I hope this is easy to understand. Let's have some more examples. Baby. The gender baby can be used with both girl baby or boy baby. So we can use baby for both. And doctor. Doctor may be a male or female. I hope, dear students, you understood it. Let's move on to the last kind of gender. So dear students, this might be new for you. This is neuter gender. Neuter gender refers to the nouns which have no male or female. They are basically non-living things. Do remember, dear students, neuter gender refers to the non-living things. They have no male or female. You see many things around you which are non-living. So, they are called neuter gender. For example, stone, book, football, mountain, desk, etc. Let's move on to the next slide to have some examples. Here we have some examples of neuter gender: door, books, car, and along with them you can see around you, have a look around you, and think of the nouns. They are neuter genders. So dear students, I think this is enough and I hope you understood it very well. But if still you have any query, you can ask to us. So now let's move on to our homework. Now here on page number 22 and 23 you have exercises 20 and 21. I hope, dear students, you might have done these exercises as your homework or summer vacation, but if you haven't done yet, so you will do in your language copy right now. Exercise 20. You have to copy these words with blue color and you have to write the kind, whether they are common, neuter, masculine or feminine. You have to write just F, M, N or C for these genders. Like aunt. Aunt is a feminine gender, so they have written F. Son, masculine, sock, neuter, and child is common. So you have to write these words and in front of them you have to write their kind. Next, 21 exercise. You have to copy the hints and question with blue color and write the answers with pencil. Number 1 hint is the son of a king. The king's son is called prince. So you will write prince with pencil. In the same way, you have to do the whole exercise with same pattern. Here you have exercises 22, 23 and 24. These exercises will also be done with the same pattern. You will write the questions and the statements with blue color and the answers with pencil. Like exercise 22, the widow decided to marry again. You have to change the masculine gender into feminine or the feminine into masculine. In 23 exercise, it's also same, and 24 will be done also in your copy with the same pattern. Okay dear students, I hope you have got it very well. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe and be connected with us. Allah Hafiz.